someone that carries their share of the load. Now here's something that you got to remember. You got to carry your share of the load. Okay, if it's your job responsibility to like unlock the gates in the morning so everybody can get in, you got to be there to unlock the gates. That's your job. If your job is to mop the floors, you got to do that. If your job is to wipe the car down or to detail the car, you got to do that. Just carry your share of the load. Whatever your job responsibilities are, if you do your job, that's being a good coworker. So I'm Brian McClure. I'm the Ford Technical Recruiting Liaison for the Oklahoma Ford dealers, and I help people get jobs as technicians in Ford dealerships. If you or you know somebody who wants a job or would like to talk to me about this and find out some more information, give me a call, 918-928-7433, or email me at fordoktptc@gmail.com. This is a good job. This is a good career to be in, pays well, it's got good job satisfaction, job security. You can do this. I did it. You can do it. You can make a good living at it. And this is no joke. It's a pretty good profession. Have a great day.